Yes, it is. Talking about funky, funky fever. Y'all stand back while I do the funkaloo. Doing all right. Can I hear it from the voices? Y'all show funky tonight. Let me get it from the bass. Shut some funk on me, y'all. Started in New York, moved to LA, spread it to Chicago, and now it's heading this way. Yes, it is.